Hi, this is George from Preston Audi, and today I'll be taking you around this approved used Audi.
Here we have this absolutely stunning Audi A5 Cabriolet in Edition 1 specification with the 40 TFSI 204 PS engine and slick automatic S-tronic gearbox. And this A5 comes finished in an optional metallic glacier white paint finish. This approved used Audi is a 71 plate, which has done just over 6,868 miles, with just one previous owner and a full dealership service history, with its last service coming on the 10th of August 2023 at 6,807 miles. Some of the key exterior features of this A5 include the striking Matrix LED headlights, the gorgeous honeycomb style radiator grille, the absolutely stunning 20-inch 5 twin-spoke polygon design alloy wheels, whilst there's the aluminium window trim and the black cloth roof, and it's really easy to put up or down as it takes just 20 seconds as it's electrically folding and can be done at speeds up to 30 miles per hour. Finally, there's the eye-catching dynamic rear indicators, and the boot easily opens with just a press of a button on your keys. And here we have the boot, which is relatively large and spacious for a cabriolet, with 370 litres of capacity, plenty of space for day-to-day needs, such as popping to the shops for example. And here we have the rear interior of the car, finished in the gorgeous black fine Napa leather, and these seats feature ISOFIX child seat mounting points, whilst there's also the rear zone of the 3-zone climate control too. And here we have the even more impressive front interior with the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, which is flat bottomed and finished in black perforated leather, alongside the piano black inlays, which help to really refine the look of this interior, whilst there's the front sports seats, finished in the same gorgeous black fine Napa leather as the rear, and these seats feature electrical adjustability and 4-way lumbar support. One of the key features of this A5's interior is the Audi Virtual Cockpit display, where you can access useful displays such as the satellite navigation of an onboard computer right ahead of you. Complementing that, we have the 10.1-inch high-resolution touchscreen display, where you can access all the usual features you'd expect in a car of this calibre, including the satellite navigation, the DAB digital radio, as well as external media connectivity and telephone connectivity, whilst there's the Audi smartphone interface, so you can connect to your phone via Apple CarPlay or Android Auto wirelessly, and there's the Audi Drive Select menu, so you can choose your favourite driving profile. And with just the press of a button, the rear view parking camera and front and rear sensors come up on demand. This interior also boasts easy to use 3-zone climate control and heated front seats, whilst in the centre console there's a USB port, a couple of cup holders, the slick S-tronic gear shifter, the easy to use controls for the electrically folding roof, as well as the Audi phone box, so you can wirelessly charge your phone whilst on the go.
This approved used Audi comes with a minimum 1 year's warranty and minimum 1 year's roadside assistance, and for more information or to book a test drive, please inquire online or call us on 01772 911 340.